Hello and welcome to the British Columbia Real Estate Association's housing market update for March 2022. While sales are not keeping pace with the unprecedented level of activity we saw this time last year, demand continues to be strong with 8,902 sales in February. We continue to see a strong carryover of momentum from the end of 2021, with sales for the first 2 months of the year on an over 100,000 unit sales annual pace. There are some encouraging signs that listings are recovering from historical lows, but there's a very long way to go before markets achieve balance. Active listings were down about 19% year over year at just over 16,000 total listings, and that level of inventory is well below the roughly 40,000 listings needed for a balanced market. With strong demand and still very low supply, market conditions heading into the spring are as tight as the peak of the market last year. The provincial sales to active listings ratio was 55% in February, or less than 2 months of inventory at the current pace of sales. While we have seen some improvement in the Fraser Valley, markets in the interior and the island continue to have an extreme imbalance of demand over supply. Given these extreme market conditions, the MLS average price for the province was up 24.9% year over year in February to $1.1 million. Average prices in the Fraser Valley continued to converge on those in the Greater Vancouver area, with both regions near $1.3 million, while average prices in the Victoria area were also back above the $1 million threshold. While some of the increase in average prices is reflecting a composition of sales skewed towards larger properties, we are also seeing outsized gains in the MLS Home Price Composite Index, which is not susceptible to changes in the product mix of sales. The HPI increased 20.7% on a year-over-year basis in Greater Vancouver and was up 40.7% in the Fraser Valley, 26.3% in Victoria, 34% in the Vancouver Island Board area, 33.7% in the interior, and 46.8% in Chilliwack. Now let's take a look at market conditions around the province.